gyrate, much like this kitten is gyrating in my arms. And when you apply...
Sal, what are you doing?
Hi! You caught me learning about ECR magnetic nozzle thrusters.
What's that?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Why don't we learn together? First, we begin with why do we need ECR magnetic nozzle thrusters? With the private industry and the advancement of technology, satellites have gotten smaller and smaller. You could say that big, expensive satellites are old news. As you can see from the graph, representing the amount of nano and cube satellites that have been launched over the past 20 years. These small sats are cheaper, more convenient, and are capable of working in a network together to provide much more coverage than those big, clunky satellites of the past. Now, we can't just have a satellite with no thruster. How are we going to move around? Well, we're going to need a low-power thruster. That is, you guessed it, the 3 C's: cheap, convenient, and capable of providing reliable thrust to our nanosatellite. Now, I wonder what kind of thruster that would be. It's ECR magnetic nozzle thrusters. That's why we're here. All right. You don't got to yell. But he is right. ECR magnetic nozzle thrusters are the solution. In order to understand them, we must understand what happens to electrons in a magnetic field. See, electrons in a magnetic field will naturally gyrate around the magnetic field lines. Now, if we input microwave energy at the exact same frequency as that natural gyration, we can get something called resonance. Through resonance, we can heat our plasma and then accelerate it through what we call a magnetic nozzle. With the help of this magnetic nozzle, we can accelerate the plasma to high speeds, essentially turning thermal energy into kinetic energy. Our research focuses on understanding the mechanics of these thrusters and making them even more efficient. With their simple design and reliable thrust output, ECR magnetic nozzle thrusters are the thruster of the future. Now remember, everybody, the best things in life come in the smallest packages.